a dream that no one could save.
2017 erupted Mount Agung, and from this place you would be able to see beautiful eruption. Pretty terrifying for all the local people and also all the businesses, because everything was closed, pretty much same as at the moment. When it started erupting, there was a question how to get out, because all the roads was blocked, and or there was a big traffic, and we were a little bit worried about if accidentally we have to leave from here, are we able to do it? Problem was because everybody just know one main road which is leaving from Amet, while actually there are another road which goes to Amlapura. It's a bit slow, but it's definitely one of the most beautiful coastal roads you can see around here. We would like to follow the road all the way to Amlapura, so you will be able to see some pretty beautiful views. Let's go.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
Yeah.
Let you down.
Let you down. All my melodies,
Take me to your heart.
I belong to you.
Take me to your soul. No one else.
There is a lot of cashew trees here, as you can see, and Bali do a lot of products from cashew nuts. You can just buy simply cashew nuts, and then you can buy a popcorn with the cashew nuts. So many different products. Interesting construction. I decided I don't need that adventure to get up on this slope, especially with the motorbike, which is not really, which has no any protector or any grip on a tire. And especially we feel so good with the hiking, so why to waste the time and energy for pushing up the motorbike a hill. We decided to stop the trip. We wanted to show you all the road, but if we move another couple of kilometers, the road becomes pretty boring. And we saw that there is a big waves today in the sea, and in this place it's super big. So instead of just wasting a time driving, we decided to take some time lapse of some beautiful waves. A while ago there was a really big waves, and the boat was smashed. I saw and a video from this place.
Pak, sana. Dia beloto. Awas belot.
And probably this is a result of smashed boats. So many of them now they moved really high away from the sea as much as possible. The rest of the boats are still on the beach, and some boats are on buoys in the sea. Look at this beauty. Stunning view. Beautiful beach. And this place is just maybe 30-minute drive from Ahmed. Yeah, it is 30-minute drive from Ahmed. Incredible. Love this place already. Never been there, never been here before. It's a big, nice big beach. It's a beautiful beach. Just look at this. Let me announce, this is my new secret beach. The Virgin Beach just sucks. This one is much better. Just incredible!
An ocean, a cave, a dream that no one could save, a shelter, a whole act, a light that died with the night. You and I, we got our differences, yet I thought we were more alike than unlike. Months of rain and chest pain, what's the plan? Heavy breathing, stay insane. Grab my hand. Everything is grey inside this narrow maze. We speak but oh nothing. We run our separate ways. Do you ever think about me? Or are you busy with someone else? You and I, we got our differences.